Captain Vikram Batra and Major Chetan Singh, Havaldar Piru Singh. So there are a lot of stories. अगर आप उनकी एक frame, अगर एक story भी अगर आप पढ़ते हैं तो you will actually get a goosebump. Idea is कि people should connect. अगर end of the day, if 100 customer comes to us and if one or two take back this feeling of patriotism back home, so we say our job is done. Jai Hind. Welcome to Battalion 06. After 14 years of working with the corporates, we all three friends decided to do something of our own. Defense was always been in our mind. It was always something like been passion. So हम सब ने सोचा कि क्यों ना एक platform create करें. We be able to connect our guest with Indian Defense and Indian Armed Forces. So every piece, every corner of our restaurant, we try to, add all the elements. We have a truck. They can dine in a truck. They can have an experience dining in a truck. They can go sit in a bunker. They can dine in a watchtower. We also are keeping weapons which is of exact weight of what Indian armies are using. That's AK-47 and Tavor. Those are the two guns you can easily see and spot it with any defense personnel. We also have a wall, a very special wall. We call it our heroes. So there are a story of those 21 brave soldiers who've been awarded with the highest gallantry award in the country. That's Paramveer Chakra. We offer, 4 cuisines like Chinese, Indian, Mughlai, and continental. Besides this, this is the 26th of Jan, and we have created a tricolor menu. And in that tricolor menu, we have tried to made something from tandoor, which will be like a paneer tikka, which will be in a tricolor. And from a Chinese desk, we also have a tricolor dim sum with a fried rice in a tricolor. And in Indian curries also a special dish which is only and only for these 2 days. We do it on 26th of Jan and also the 15th of August. To add on more fun, customer once they order their meal, we go and approach them. We play a small quiz. If they answer it right, we offer them a tricolor ice cream or a tricolor milkshake. Absolutely free on the house. Now we have few customers just arrived, so let's the fun part begin. इंडिया ने पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस कितनी जंगें लड़ी हैं विद चाइना? हाउ मेनी वॉर्स वी फॉट विद चाइना पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस? टिल डेट 2. ओके, hang on sir. Can you tell me how many wars India has fought post independence?
4.
Okay, it's actually 6. आप बताइए ये कौन सा गणतंत्र दिवस हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे इस बार? Is it going to be मैं आपको हिंट देता हूँ. ये 73rd है, 70th है, ये 72nd है.
It's 72nd.
Congratulations. After 1947 till date, how many Paramveer Chakras have been awarded?
21.
Bang on, right sir.
Oh wow.
We'll get you your drinks. आज हम अच्छा खा रहे हैं, अच्छा घूम रहे हैं, अच्छी jobs कर रहे हैं. This is all because somebody is holding a gun and standing on the line of control. End of the day, we say that if 100 customer comes to us and if one or two take back this feeling of patriotism back home, so we say our job is done.